In this video, we'll walk you through how to add a payout method for your event if you're selling tickets using Eventbrite's payment processing. Adding a payout method ensures that Eventbrite knows where to send your ticket revenue. It's important that this information is accurate and that you set and save a payout method for each paid event that you host on Eventbrite. To set up your payment method for an event, you will need the permission Manage Payments and Payouts, which can be found in the Team Management section of your organization settings. Once you've chosen the event that you'd like to set a payout method for, head to your event dashboard. Once you have created at least one paid ticket type and saved your event, you'll be able to navigate to the left menu and click on the Payments and Tax option. From there, select Payout Method. Click on Add Payout Method. From here, you'll reconfirm the currency that you collect ticket sales in and the country you'll get paid out to. Eventbrite supports payouts in multiple currencies and countries. For a full list, please visit our Help Center. Once you have reconfirmed a currency and country, choose your account type, individual or company. In the US, you'll need to indicate if you have a checking or savings account and add the account and routing numbers. If you are being paid out in another country, we will ask for the pertinent information required in that location. You have the option of giving your bank account a nickname. This can be useful if you want to use multiple bank accounts for events across your account, and you want to easily keep track of them. If you are based in the US and don't want to be paid out via ACH, you can also choose to be paid out via check. Once you click Save, your payout details are saved, and Eventbrite can process your payouts as scheduled. You can also update your payout details if needed. We also recommend that you review the tax settings for your event before you go on sale to ensure that all of your attendees are correctly charged based on the location of your event. You might be required by state or local regulations to charge tax. We encourage you to consult a tax professional to ensure you understand your tax obligations. If you do need to charge a sales tax, indicate, "Yes, I need to charge tax for this event." From here, you'll be able to set a tax name, rate, and the ticket types it applies to. And that's how you set up the payout method on your events. Visit our Help Center or YouTube channel to find more tips and resources to guide you through creating, managing, and promoting your events on Eventbrite.